Hey everybody, just a quick video. I'm going to replace my 2003 Grand Marquis master power window switches, and my one on the driver's side window will not go back up. So I'll remove this panel, and here is my new switch. This is sold by Switch Doctor on Amazon, and I'll put the link for that below the video. You can just buy this for 15 bucks, free shipping if you have Prime. But anyway, let me show you how to take this off. This switch works for many different vehicles. It works for the Ford F-150 as a master power window switch, models 2004 through 2008, and also works for the Grand Marquis 2003 through 2008, Ford Crown Victoria model years 2003 through 2008, and Ford Expedition model years 2003, 2004, 2005, and 2006, and Mercury Marauder model years 2003 and 2004, and Lincoln Mark LT model years 2006, 2007, and 2008. And for 15 bucks, that is a cheap repair. Alright, taking this panel off on the Grand Marquis is pretty easy. I took it off before to find out what I needed to fix this. But anyway, you just start at this end, and you work your way down with the screwdriver. Like that, and then you pop it off from this end. And you can see here, there's clips that hold it down, and on this side, this will be the last side to go back in. It has a clip right there, and on this side it has a clip here and a clip there. But that is the easiest way to pop this off, and all I'm going to do is remove the old switch, pop these nubs off there, and pop these wires off there, and then replace it. Now, to remove the wires, there's only the blue and the black one. You just push in right here. There's a little nub, and it just pops right out. Also, same thing for this black one back here. Easy as that. Now, to remove the old switch, you have to release these nubs, which I've done on the opposite side. There's two more, and I'm just gonna take a small screwdriver and put it against the wall here, and there we go. There's our old switch, and I'm just gonna pop in the new one. Okay, now it's just the reverse. I'll just plug in the blue one here. Right up there. Like that. And then plug the black one. And that's it. Now I'll just put it back together. Before you reassemble everything, you're going to want to test it out, which I just did. And this is the switch that was giving me problems, and window goes down and all the way back up. Works fine. And I tested all these other switches too. They're perfect. And this is the old switch, which is a genuine Ford product. And I'll give the part number. It is 2L1T-14540-AFW. So if you want a genuine Ford product and pay more, this is only 15 bucks. And I'm not sure what this is going to be, but you know how much dealers charge for this kind of stuff. But anyway, this works. I'm going to put it back together in the reverse way that I took it apart. Okay, I snapped all the nubs back in place, so I'm just going to put this right back together. Put this end in first, and snap it in. Okay, I have everything put back together, and I'm just going to roll it down. Make sure it works. Yes, it works. And roll it back up. Perfect. 15 bucks, problem solved. Anyway, I'll put the link to the product on Amazon. $15 free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. And it works. So I hope this helps.